Hello, my name is John and I'm with the Barracuda XDR team. In this video, I will provide a brief introduction to Barracuda XDR endpoint security, accompanied by a quick demonstration. Barracuda XDR provides extended visibility, detection, and response across your network, servers, endpoints, email, and cloud environments. Barracuda XDR endpoint security unifies and extends detection and response capabilities to the laptops, desktops, and servers within a network, protecting against most endpoint malware, including ransomware. There are two XDR endpoint security offerings: managed and monitored. The managed offering is backed by SentinelOne and includes its licensing. The monitored version allows customers to take advantage of these services with their own EDR solution. In this video, we will focus solely on the managed offering. Barracuda XDR Managed Endpoint Security is an integrated threat prevention solution powered by SentinelOne. The solution combines the power of AI to block malware infections with additional security controls that safeguard against script-based, fileless, memory, and external device-based attacks, and it's backed by our 24/7, 365 Security Operations Center. Now we'll take a look at a quick demonstration. In this demo, I will show you how SentinelOne detection engines can stop multiple threats instantly. I will also showcase the ability of the Barracuda XDR SOC to remediate threats like ransomware with SentinelOne's rollback feature. Here we have our test machine. It's part of the default group, which means it has our protection policy enabled. You can also see here the various detection engines that SentinelOne has, like static AI and behavioral AI. We'll head over to the test endpoint where you can see I have a network shared drive that contains various types of malware, many of which include various forms of ransomware. I also have a documents folder filled with PDFs, as well as the SentinelOne agent that shows we have a status of secure at this moment. I'll use this malware testing tool that will run all of these malwares one after another. You can see here our final detection rate is 100%. We've detected and stopped 91 out of 91 executables. We can click on one of the PDFs to verify no encryption has taken place from any of the ransomware. Now we'll simulate the remediation and rollback functionality in the case an endpoint does become infected. We'll go ahead and move this endpoint from the default protection group over to a detection-only mode. You can see that endpoint is now in detection only. We'll use that same malware testing tool to run one of the pieces of ransomware. You can see SentinelOne is alerting us. And the ransomware has now encrypted my files. Here's the encryption ransom note, asking us to pay in Bitcoin. We can verify these files are no longer readable by attempting to open them. And now we can begin the remediation process. We can select all the threats, and then kill, quarantine, remediate, and roll back this endpoint. That process will kick off. Our files are back, the ransom note is no longer on the desktop, and we can verify that the files are back to a readable state. And the endpoint is in a secure state. If we head over to the Barracuda XDR dashboard, we can see the notification on this. We can see Sentinel-1 new threat mitigated. If we scroll down, we can see various details, like the host name, IP address, username, hash value, and the file path. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Barracuda XDR, please reach out to your Barracuda account manager or email us at sales@barracudamsp.com.